Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I've got a fantastic tip that will surprise you and help you keep your home fresh and mold-free, especially during the rainy season. This tip comes from a seasoned housekeeper, and once I learned it, I couldn't stop using it. And no, it has nothing to do with firing up a barbecue. So, let's dive in. First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a piece of charcoal, some cotton, a plastic container with a lid, your favorite fabric softener or a high-quality fragrance oil, a fork, and a lighter. To start, take your piece of charcoal and wrap it in a cotton. Then place it in your plastic container. Do the same with 2 more pieces of charcoal, so you have 3 total in that container. It's simple, right? Next, let's make it smell amazing. Add just half a capful of fabric softener in your favorite scent. If you prefer, you can use a high-quality fragrance oil instead. This step is important for keeping your space smelling fresh. Now, take a fork and heat up the tip with a lighter. You'll need it to poke a few tiny holes in the container lid. This part is really important, so take your time and do it carefully. And just like that, your setup is complete. What you've created is a natural dehumidifier. The charcoal wrapped in cotton will absorb moisture from the air, preventing mold from forming. This is especially useful during those rainy months when humidity tends to spike. You can use this trick in bathrooms, closets, wardrobes, and even closed spaces where mold likes to hide. Think shoe racks, drawers, or laundry areas. It's incredibly versatile. The best part? This hack is super easy and affordable, using items you probably already have at home. Plus, it's a sustainable alternative to expensive products loaded with harsh chemicals. Once you give this homemade trick a try, you'll see how effective it is, and I bet you'll want to share it with friends and family. Good tips like this deserve to be shared. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your own home hacks. Thanks for watching, and stay fresh and mold-free.